Today's to the point topic is Lightburn and how to create a spider vector from scratch. In a previous to the point, we created a spider web vector, and come Halloween you can put the two together and you'll be all set. And I'll drop a link to that video down in the description. So we're going to start by grabbing a circle, and we're just going to draw out a egg shape and drop it. Click the selector tool, grab another circle, this time hold the shift key. Draw out a perfect circle for the head. Click the selector tool. Set it right on the front like that. Grab both pieces. Weld together over in the modification tools. Now we need some legs. So we're going to grab a circle, hold shift, draw out a perfect circle. Click the selector tool. With it selected, go up to arrange, down to break apart, and this gives us 4 equal sections for this circle. We only need one, so we'll pull it out and we will dump the other 3. With the one we hung on to, we will select it and then go to the offset tool. We'll do a 2mm offset outward and round. Click OK. You can pull out your original piece and just delete it. We're going to try to get all the legs set on one side, and then we will duplicate and move them to the other side. So get it in position, put it somewhere toward the where the abdomen meets the head, like that. Control D to duplicate, and then just move it down and get your second one into position. Just work with it until it looks right. Something like that. Now we can select both of these. Control D and then Control Shift V for a vertical flip. Use the down arrow and get these down. You don't want them to overlap like that right there. It'll look a little strange. I've made a couple of these, and no two are the same. So something like that. You might want to pull this one in a little bit more, like that. And now I believe we're okay. We can select all of these. Control D for duplicate. Control Shift H for a horizontal flip. And then just move them over with the left arrow key. That looks pretty good. We're going to grab these 2 front ones and Control D, down arrow them out, and then we'll make them smaller and give her some choppers there. Okay, now we can select everything, go over to weld, and click weld. So we have a spider. So let's select everything. Go to the offset. Again, we can leave it 2mm off, outward and round. Click OK. Your original is what is selected. So you can, if you want to highlight it a little bit, you can just make it an engrave like that. Select everything, group it together, and if you have your art library open with it selected, you can go down, import graphic from project, give it a name, click OK, and now you've got a spider that anytime you need it, you can pull it out and you don't have to go through making it again. If you don't have an art library, I'll drop a link in the description so you have some instructions on how to make one.